ingredients needed for air frying the tilapia. So, this is going to be an experience. Kasi, ako, hirap naman akong, hindi naman sa mahirap, but ayoko yung, yung the smell of oil, diba? I relatively have a small space here, kaya, nangangamoy kagad. And then, ayoko yung gumalangoy sa oil, tapos madudurog yung isda, yung tilapia, you know the stuff. Siguro na-experience yun na yan. And here's the star of the show, tilapia. Okay, this is going to fit inside the air fryer. Kasya naman to, 4.5 liters yun. So I don't need to cut this. I think score ko lang siya. And here, so naka-prepare na rin tayo dyan. Ito, this is going to be rubbed dun sa sa labas and siguro sa loob din ng tilapia. So ano meron dito? Secret. No. So tawagin na lang natin siyang magic sarap. Okay? But with pepper, konting salt. Although no need na rin to have salt there because of the magic sarap na naman magic sarap and oil. So konting oil lang. So hindi na natin na anuhan ng oil yung yung sprayan ng oil yung either the tilapia or the air fryer nandito na pag nirap natin, so magkakaroon na rin siya ng oil ng konti. So ito siya. This is going to be the star of the show. I'm going inside the air fryer. Okay? So, na-pot dry ko na yan. Nalinis na yan. Ngayon, slits. So, 1, 2, 3. Yung mga expert dyan, if I'm doing it wrong, you know what to do. Diyan naman kayo magaling. So, expert nga kayo. Ako hindi. So, ito lang. Inside. So now, rub natin to on the rub natin. Yan, yung iba medyo hirap sa buhay, yan. Huwag kayo maglaslas ng sarili nyo. Ito na lang, tilapia na lang ang laslasin ninyo. Bubusog pa kayo. During this time, sa panahon na to, we really have to stay strong mentally. So, kagaya ko, ito, luto-luto. You can go out and ECQ. Stay home lang tayo. See what we can do here. So, again, this is the star of the show, si tilapia. Okay, rub. Not much. Okay na siguro yan eh. Ayaw mo naman na overpowering ang lasa niyan, no? Rub. Nagugas po ako ng kamay. Ako rin na naman kakain. Hindi ko naman pakakain to, hindi ko pagbibili. It's just gonna be one meal for me. Kaya na rin natin yung iba sa loob. Sige. Panat. So here, may sobrang onions. So gagawin na lang natin ay toyo. May toyo ka ba? Naman tayo, may toyo. Then, ito, vinegar. Kuka. Konti lang, okay na yan. Yeah, I guess it's done. It's okay. So, yun yung sausawan natin mamaya. At siguro may sili. If meron ako, I'll try to look for one. Oh, I forgot. Experiment natin. Lagyan natin ng rosemary. Si rosemary, ilagay na rin natin dyan. Now, see, dito na. How this guy is going to go inside the air fryer. Okay. Okay. So, na-preheat ko na yan. I'll try to put in the tilapia. Kasya naman siya. I guess, yeah. I mean, yung tail medyo nakataas, pero that's okay para madali rin i-scoop. So, let's see. Ito na. Star of the show is going inside the air fryer. So, yung tilapia, ilagay na natin sa air fryer. This is going to be for 10 minutes. I set it up for 10 minutes at 200 degrees, which is the maximum for this air fryer. So, let's see how it's, we'll check on it, siguro after 10 minutes, then if we have to flip it, flip nang natin siya. So, second cooking, nung una, the first one I made with the air fryer is yung chicken nuggets. So, ito, tilapia naman. So, medyo lumilevel up na yung pag-test natin ng air fryer na to. So, while waiting, ito, siyempre, hindi pwedeng kumain yan ng walang kanin. So, brown rice, getting ready. Oh! Tumunog na. So, we'll check it. I don't think this is still done. So, I'm thinking siguro mga another 10 more minutes, but we'll check it. So, here, whoop. See. Oh, wow. This air fryer does the job. See? Wait. Change it up. See? Okay siya. Hindi siya dumidikit, ah. Now, if I may just... Okay. Look. Actually, pwede na to, eh. But I'm thinking of siguro I'll flip this. Pwede na to. I mean, look. Yan, no? Hindi siya di ba? So, it's better than pan frying it. Sa akin, for me, I don't know for you, pero the air fryer is doing its job. Di ba? Oh. I mean, I can't get this sa pan fry. I mean, if you can do that, then good for you, pero diba yung amoy ng mantika, lalangoy pa sa mantika, see? Oh, wow. Siguro, I'll flip this and do another 5 minutes na lang siguro. So, look. Ito yung sa ilalim. Flinip ko. So, I guess hindi pa pwede. Yan, no? See? But it's, kung gusto mong if you like, you don't want it to be really fried, okay siya, di ba? So, I guess another 10 more minutes with this. And, kung nakukuha lang ng camera yung amoy, ang sarap ng amoy. Hindi siya nag-amoy mantika. Ang nag-amoy yung mga nilagay kong spices and herbs. Ayun, panalo to, panalo. I flipped it. Okay na isang side. Okay naman yung masyadong crispy siya. But I guess okay na to. 10 more minutes after flipping it, then we're done. So one good thing about the air fryer is lagay mo lang sa doon and timer, set the temperature, and wala, you can do a lot of chores already. Hindi kagaya pag nagpiprito ka or pan frying it. Diba, nakatuto ka, baka masunog or dumikit or whatever. Diba, tapos yung tatakpan mo pa, tapos yung talsik ng mantika plus the amoy ng mantika. With this, nare-retain niya yung yung spices na ilalagay mo. So, yun nga. Leave it there. You can do some chores. O kaya, Facebook ka, Instagram, check your email, do work online. Yun lang. Natin. This is after 10 minutes of flipping it. The other side. Oh, wow. Pwede na. I mean, this is good enough. Yung mantika niya napunta pa doon. Konti lang naman yung rub na mantika ang nilagay ko. Wait, let me show this to you. This is the other side already. So, okay na siya. I mean, this is good enough. Diba? Ewan ko, kayo baka expert kayo mag-pan fry ng tilapia. Pero ako, normally nadudurog. O diba, yung mantika, lalangoy siya sa mantika, mainit-mainit, saka mo lalagay para hindi dumikit. But this one, this is good to go. I'm happy with this. See? So, test number 2, chicken nuggets, yung first test on the air fryer. This is test number 2, tilapia. This is going to be lunch for today. So, see? Nandun yung oil, nagdi-drip siya. Meron drip pan naman yan. So, if you want it na ano, I don't think this is oil din naman. Ito siguro yung liquid o yung ano niya, yung na-dehydrate na siya. So, again, less oil. And then, see yung amoy nandun. Grabe. Na-retain niya yung amoy. This is good. I mean, happy ako with this experiment here with the air fryer. So, let's see. Kain na tayo. Hintayin na lang natin yung rice. Dapat pala kanina ko pa nagawa. Anyway, we'll wait. Tara, let's eat. Ika nga nila.